Sometimes kunokwenzeka ukuthi uma ngicela ukubhala ama-exam so mhlambe umngane wakho athi mina ku question 1.1 maybe answer yambe ku 3.5 bese wena ube like yo uthola 3.5 mina ngithola u5 then qala kuba ne-argument manje then you end up taking out amalo kanje ama-scriptless wenu trying to prove ukuthi ubani olo kanje o wrong la, right? So lo question 3 ama number patterns sina two friends uZane noLeti, they both found ama nth term are different. So sifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani o right for the first part of 3.1 ku 3.2 we are given a sequence. So sina number patterns in this question. Thanks for tuning in. Check out the description box for more content in your recording for this question paper. Now 3.1, your friends Uzain Noleti have been trying to solve an exercise based on the following sequence: 2, 6, 10, 14. 3.1.1 Utiwa Uleti Utiena, the end term for the exercise is this. Uzain ati no, the end term for the exercise is this. Now we have to break this argument they corner between these two guys. Use algebra to justify your answer. Okay, so 2, 6, 10, 14. Yes? Okay. So this is a linear pattern. How do I know this? Ngoba 4 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. 14 minus 10 again it's what? It's 4. So into engayisho la ukuthi at least they got something right boy 2. The common difference is correct. So this is the value for Bani for D. Right? So since this is a linear pattern in a common difference, the n term is equal to A, which is the first term in the sequence, in this case ubani u2. U2 ngiyambona la kuLeti no2 ngiyambona la kuZane. Are they correct boy 2? We don't know. I'm just pointing it out to it. Okay, at least they got some elements of the n term correct. Plus n minus 1 times D, which is the common difference. This is the formula we apply when looking for the n term of any given sequence. Okay, therefore Tn is equal to, we substitute A1 or 2 plus n minus 1. What is D? It's the common difference 1 or 4. Let's simplify this again. So banobani no Tn equal to 2 asingasayi kude kuba 4 n minus 1 right? So ifana neyakabani le formula le athi ngibhale so 4 n minus 1 plus 2 ifana nobani? Ifana neyaka Zane, right? Is Zane correct? I think so. I think Zane, so therefore Zane is correct. Now conclusion again. Zane is correct, but asiqhubeke nayo ngoba uyambona uLeti yena uyisimplify further i-n term yakhe. So sizothi Tn, she might be right, but let's check. 4n minus 4 plus 2, right? Plus 2. Tn is equal to 4n, and then the answer ubani minus 2. Wow. Guess what? So all along they were arguing over something a ngekhola. Lama formulas way 2 are correct. Just though one we simplify further, the other one I simplify further. So if the answer kuish uphelele la what no Zane correct, I think it okay angati bozoba half right. Ngoba the other late now is also correct. Just with the only difference la ukuthi uZane azanga simplify further, but late u simplify further. This is correct, this is also correct. So therefore it's not only Zane, but both are correct. They are both correct. No one is right. Okay, no one is wrong. They are both correct. Right, siyala ku 3.1.2. Determine the value of the 27 term of the sequence. Alright, low T1, T2, T3, T4, T27. We want to know what is the value of the 27th term. That's the question, right? So we are going to use the n term, whether sebenzisa ka late or yaga Zane, it doesn't matter. Asebenzise ka late. 4n minus 2. Sifuna the 27 term, it means that to n soba equal to 27. You're about 427 minus 2. So it's 4 times 27 minus 2 is equal to 106. I answer you 206. Now let's go to the second part of the question, 3.2. We are given another sequence. We are given another sequence. 3.2. Consider the following sequence: minus 3, 2, 7, 12, 17. Okay, in the description box ukunama links for other questions. Okay, so far ama questions engwaphendulile la. Question 3, it's one of the easiest, most easiest questions again la. You can't go wrong la. Alright, but it's taller the n term of the sequence. Since are the same thing, Abu Zain nabulete abayenzile lapha ku 3.1. We check the nature of the sequence. So 2 minus negative 3, I should get to 5. 7 minus 2, it's 5. 12 minus 7, it's 5. 17 minus 12, it's 5. Okay, we have a common difference, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So it's a linear pattern. 3.2.1. Check this out. So the nth term is equal to a, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times d. What is the value for a? 3 plus n minus 1. What's the value for d? 5. Equal to like about 3 go 5n go minus 5. Then since 5n start, okay, start 5n. So 3 plus minus 5, it's negative 2. This is the nth term, that with 3.2.1. 3.2.2. Determine the value of the 52nd number to end in a 7. Alright, wait a minute. Okay, minus 3, light should be minus 8 la. Sorry, this 3 is negative, so it means we a about negative 3 la. Now to answer 3.2.2, determine the value of the 52nd number to end in a 7. Le video ngathi ngizoyirepha la ngoba iyangishaya le question ka 3.2.2. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Asibonani on the next one. Haha, ngiyadlala. No devil shall prosper la. Alright, asibona. Okay, I see ngiyabona ukuthi bafunani ke manje. Alright, we need to isolate several terms from a number pattern yethu. But we want the 52nd number to end in a 7 in the pattern. The first number the first number no 7 ubani, term number 3. The second number enda ngo7 term number 6. What about the next one here? So sebenzisa the formula yethu le, ne? The n term CT ngo term number 6, so 35 open bracket T7 minus 8 T1. Okay, wait. T1 ngithola negative 3. T2 ngithola 2. Okay, so okay, T7 ngithola ubani 27. Term number 7. Here's another term ephelela ngubani 7. This is siyabuya sithi 8. Let's see, ngithola 32 ku T8 bese let's say 9 bese kuba 37 ku T bani 9, 37 lapha ku T number 9. So therefore now my terms were to 7, 17 u 27 kube u 37 ayaqhubeka, right? Low term number bani, term number 3, term number bani 6, term number bani 7. But in lama terms lawa they are labeled according to the number pattern. So I'm isolating my terms anabo 7 which end with the number 7. Now it's this one, this one, this one, and this one. Because of our isolate, the first term iphelela ngo 7 now number 7. The second one 17. The third one 27. The third one ubani, the fourth one 37. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi which sifuna the value of the 52nd number to end in a 7. So we need the n term yale pattern lena, then we find the 52nd term from this isolated pattern. So let's check with the what type of pattern is this. 17 minus 7 total 10, 27 minus 17 10, nala 10. So this is D A loya bese ngizala ngithi Tn is A plus n minus 1 times D. What's the value for A? 7 plus n minus 1. What's the value for D? 10. Tn. So it's 7 plus 10 n minus 10 Tn. Tn is equal to 10 n minus bani 3. Therefore sifuna which term? Sifuna the 52nd number, meaning sifuna T bani 52. So T52 yoba equal to 10 open bracket 52 minus 3. We substitute lana. So about 10 times 52 minus 3. I answer you to 517. So the 52nd term a phelela ngo 7 or 517. Question 3 way to phelela lana, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Check out the description box for more content. As for now, guys, bye bye. Asponane on the next video. Bye bye.